What did you show me today? Oh wait, now I gotta open. Well, record. Okay, it's all done. Mama, change my Wi-Fi password now. Okay, what do you want to show me, Brian? The world over. What that game is? You're such a noob, and not such a noob. You're stupid. I even play your bizarre adventure in Roblox computer. Well, you know what? I'm a Roblox favorite. Oh, Roblox fans and all that. Where's the game that you're playing? Don't tell me it's those sucky yucky thing. You know what I mean? Sight. If the T put K, I will literally laugh at it. Psych. That's a wrong number. What actually heck is? I hope I can play Resort Day. No one is online. Yes, my favorite. What did he actually played? What you playing? Show me what you playing. Another chain of fate. I thought this is fidget spinner or Roblox, kind of like, you know. How can I say this? Beyblade, yeah. Kaiju Online. I will literally let you regret this. The promise. Piggy. So ride the piggy. Okay. Where's the game, motherfucker? Okay. Relax. I will find it. I will find it. I am finding it. It's okay. Don't need to. Never mind.